Do you want to give your hair the nourishment it deserves? Look no further, because today we are going to introduce you to the amazing benefits of hemp oil for your scalp. Hemp oil is derived from the seeds of the hemp plant and is packed with essential fatty acids, vitamins and minerals. One of the biggest benefits of using hemp oil on your scalp is its ability to deeply moisturize and hydrate. This helps soothe dry and itchy scalp and even reduce dandruff. Hemp oil is also rich in vitamin A and E, which can help to strengthen your hair and improve its overall health. With regular use, you can expect to see thicker, shinier and stronger hair. In addition to its nourishing benefits, hemp oil can also promote hair growth. Its high level of fatty acids can help to stimulate the scalp, promoting healthy growth and preventing hair loss. So if you're looking for a natural way to revitalize your scalp and give your hair the care it deserves, look no further than hemp oil. Give it a try and see the amazing benefits for yourself. As always, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.